How to log out of Messenger on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messenger application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the three lines icon at the bottom left corner. From the menu, tap on the settings gear icon below your name. On the settings page, scroll down to the very end and tap See More in the Meta Account Center. You are now in the Meta Account Center. From here, go to Password and Security. Next, tap on where you're logged in to view login activity. Now, select your account from the list. Scroll through the list of logged-in devices and tap on Select Devices to log out. Tap Select All at the top right corner to mark all sessions. Then, tap on Log Out at the bottom of the screen. Tap Log Out again on the pop-up to confirm your action. Following these steps, you can easily log out of Messenger on an iPhone.